Hello fellow students and welcome to another slide presentation video of a geometry lesson called Angles. Constructing angles. An angle is formed by two rays with the same endpoint. The rays are the sides of the angle. The common endpoint is the vertex.
As shown on the right.
You can name an angle using a point on each side and the vertex. The vertex must appear as the middle letter. When it is not confusing, you can name an angle using the vertex alone. The angle shown can be called angle XYZ, angle ZYX, or angle Y. For example, name the following angle as shown to the right of the question in three ways. You see the vertex is S, which a vertex means that it's connecting two rays to a common endpoint. That's why it's called a vertex. So the angle can be named angle UST, angle TSU, or angle S. And you ask, what is an angle? An angle is a combination of two rays with a common endpoint. That's what I said about a vertex. That it's a point. The endpoint is the vertex. So here's an example about it. So here's ray AB connected with ray AC, and the common endpoint here is called the vertex, which the vertex is A to angle A, or angle BAC, or angle CAB. Or I could just say angle CAB. Oh yeah, baby. The endpoint A is known as the vertex of the angle. It is where both rays intersect. See what I did there? I told you before it even appeared anyways about the angle. So the size of an angle is measured in degrees. It's a note that you always have to remember. Never forget it. Only for studying angles, of course. An angle can be classified by its size. Below are a few examples. The acute angle is an angle which measures more than 0 degrees but less than a right angle, also known for 90 degrees, which is shown right here, a right angle. An angle which measures exactly 90 degrees, which I talked about in the acute angle example. So an obtuse angle is an angle which measures more than a right angle, 90 degrees, but less than a straight angle, 180 degrees, which we're going to talk about in the next one. Which a straight angle is an angle which measures exactly 180, which I talked about in the obtuse angle example. Kind of. I'm so little and so cute. Because I'm an acute angle. Get it? A cute angle? Get it? I am always right. Never argue with me. Get it? Right? I am always right. Because he's in right angle. Oh yeah, baby. I am going good with these puns. I'm big. I love to eat. It's because he's an obtuse angle and he can open his mouth as much as he can. Boom yummy. And I'm straight, not flexible. He says that because he's a straight angle. Get it? Straight. I am straight. Straight angle. Get it? Down shows a protractor, which is a tool for measuring angles. There are other kinds of tools to measure angles, but we're not going to say them, just the protractor now. So, using a protractor is a very simple task. Two main things that you need to understand is the baseline and the center point. Both of these can be located on the bottom of the protractor. The center point of the protractor would be on the point of an angle, while the baseline would be on the bottom line of the shape. Then to find the angle, you would look at the numbers on the protractor and measure how many numbers are inside the shape. Although not all numbers to 180 degrees can fit on a protractor, so that is why there are 10 small lines in between each tenth to make sure your angles are exact. And by the way, about the baseline, there are two baselines in a protractor, kind of. So as an example, we are going to measure an angle of 60 degrees. The angle is named by 3 points. The vertex should be in the middle. So there's ray B connected to
BC.
ray
It's
BC. And it's
on the baseline of the protractor.
Exactly. And there's another one which has passed the baseline and is called ray BA, which measures angle B or angle ABC or angle CBA equals 30 degrees. No jokes in this one, Baps. 0 degrees is...
So an acute angle is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees.
Which is also known as a right angle. So here's another one. Ray EF, also connected with the baseline. And another ray ED, shown as angle E or angle DEF or angle FED. Or you could just say angle FED, get it? Because it spells FED, which makes a 90-degree angle, which is a right angle. And we do it the right way. Another example, array O and M, which is also known as the baseline. And ray O and N on for getting past the baseline to the other baseline, close. Angle, which is also named as angle O or angle MON or angle NOM, which makes 140 degrees, which is an obtuse angle. So, never mind. So there's the baseline YX and the other one YZ, which connected to both of the baselines, which made angle Y or angle XYZ or angle ZYX, which is 180 degrees, which makes a straight angle. Here's a question for you, but not the homework, just examples. Other examples in this question. Classify each angle as acute, right, straight, or obtuse. From this, number 1, angle XTS, also known in blue lines.
So ray XT, as you can see, the blue ray XT, and then the other blue ray TS,
which is also known for the baseline.
So this angle XTS, as you can see, is an acute angle.
Mm-hmm. And now for the next one, WT, angle WTU. As you can see for the square, never mind, nothing.
The ray WT is marked in red, and then the ray TU. So now we have the angle WTU. If you look at the angle, it is a right angle.
You can also recognize it by the square. What? The next example is angle UTS, which you can see is ray UT
is in purple, and ray TS is in purple. So angle UTS
is a straight angle. And for the next example, angle XTU. So you can see ray TX connected with ray TU, which makes an angle. And that angle is measured an obtuse angle. And here shows your homework. You already know what the lesson is, so any questions, please don't hesitate to ask due Google Classroom and or Telegram. Bye.